9 forecast.
And that color show is certainly underway. Speaking of color, how about this nice colorful sunrise this morning captured by Warren Fault there in Jolly View. Of course, we began with cloudiness, and those clouds with the sun coming up added more color to the atmosphere and made for a nice start this morning. We certainly cleared out throughout the course of the day, made it up to 74 at the airport this afternoon, 71 the current reading, winds out of the northwest at 7, a very comfortable air mass in place, and temperatures again tonight will settle back in the 40s to around 50. We're 66 at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, touched 69 for a high this afternoon. Currently have 68 in Madison, 67 in Palmyra, 68 currently in Livingston, a pair of 66 both in Waynesboro and in Stanton. And again, temperatures tonight will slip back in the mid to upper 40s in many spots under clear to partly cloudy skies. A beautiful day for tomorrow. Temperatures a little higher, either at or just above our average for this time of year. Many of us will top out in the mid to upper 70s. Now, as we move into Friday, it'll still be warm, but we'll have a cold front approaching and it'll swing through. So even though the front will come through dry, the winds will pick up. So you'll notice that, but temperatures will still climb into the mid to upper 70s. Essentially southwesterly winds shift northwest, and then those temperatures by early Saturday morning will kind of bottom out in the upper 30s and low 40s. The wind will keep the atmosphere stirred up, but it'll be a much cooler day on Saturday, upper 50s and lower 60s. And then Sunday morning will be our coldest with the potential for some frost and freeze conditions. Now, looking at average first frost dates for autumn, for Central Virginia around the 26th of the month, and for the Shenandoah Valley a little earlier as might expect, temperature frost conditions around the 10th of the month. Now each season's different, but those are the averages. Well, this storm that's been festering off the mid-Atlantic coast is edging ever so slowly farther east, still bringing rain to coastal New England, a little farther inland, and some marine hazards. And once that moves farther away, high pressure takes over, and it started for us today. But our next cold front is west of Chicago, and that'll be working closer to the region and sweep through here on Friday, but it's going to drive up the warmer numbers as we go into tomorrow and Friday. So temperatures throughout the Ohio Valley are in the 70s. Again, that's our air mass here as we go into Thursday and Friday. Looking at the tropics, we're not yet done with the hurricane season. Have a tropical depression that is to the west of the Cabo Verde Islands in the eastern Atlantic, and then this cluster of clouds, not very organized, is basically working across the lower Windward Islands and across portions of South America, and that could become a depression as it moves deeper into the Caribbean in days to come. Temperatures in the morning, 40s and 50s, will warm nicely into the mid and upper 70s here for Thursday, a very nice day. And Friday morning will start either side of 50. It'll turn breezy, but still warm, mid to upper 70s. Then that cooler air will filter in by Friday night and be with us for the weekend. 45 to around 50 tonight, clear to partly cloudy skies. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Warmer temperatures to finish out the week, and then the cool down here as we roll into the weekend. So a little roller coaster ride there. Temperatures early Sunday morning down in the 30s, so there will be likely some frost conditions, freeze potential as you go farther to the west.
With plenty of sunshine. Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much. We will be